How to add collaborators in Google Forms. So if you want to add collaborators in your Google Forms, then what you need to do is first you just need simply make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to go with your search, and to search, you need to search for Google Forms on your browser. Or go with the Google Apps, which is on the right side, and then you will have the Forms option right here. Once you find it, you need to click on the Google Forms. Now, once you're here, you need to go and select your Google form. I'm here with this form. Now, if you want to add the collaborators, you need to go with the right side, which has that share icon. And here, you need to add the people whom you would like to add as a collaborator. You can add the email address of that person. So I'll just simply go and add an email address. And then on the right side, you can go with either responder or editor. I'll go with editor and then message and go with send. Now, if the other person accepts your request, then they will be added as a collaborator in your Google form. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.